Claimant, an employee of North America Incorporated, alleged that he suffered a low back injury while lifting a 250-pound drum on October 24th, 1995. Claimant missed the next 2 days of work and continued to miss time from work until May 7th, 1996, when he stopped working for the employer as a result of his back problems. Claimant applied for workers' compensation benefits in May 1997, but his claim was timely controverted on a number of issues by the employer's workers' compensation carrier. After hearings, a workers' compensation law judge found that claimant's back condition appears to be mechanical in nature and not the result of a workers' compensation-related injury, and disallowed the claim. Upon review, the Workers' Compensation Board affirmed the decision. The board has broad authority to resolve factual issues based on credibility of witnesses and draw any reasonable inference from the evidence in the record. If that resolution is based on substantial evidence in the record, it will not be disturbed. Our review of the record reveals that the board's determination is supported by substantial evidence. Claimant alleges that he injured his lower back in a work-related accident on October 24th, 1995, and reported the accident to 2 supervisors and filled out an accident report. However, the employer denied receiving notice of the accident, and no report or other mention of it was found in the employer's records. Furthermore, none of claimant's medical records reflect the historical fact that claimant sustained a work-related injury on October 24th, 1995. Moreover, the employer's occupational health administrator testified that claimant told her several times that his back injury was not work-related. Given the board's authority in such matters, the board said that the substantial evidence in the record supported the employer's position that no accident occurred at work on October 24th, 1995. We find no reason to disturb the board's determination. Claimant's other arguments have been considered and rejected as without merit. On March 14th, 1985, plaintiff and defendant entered into an agreement whereby defendant authorized plaintiff to act to bring to the authorized plaintiff the attention of defendant investigators and investors suitable for providing drilling or other at-risk funds to defendant, and agreed to pay plaintiff a finder's fee on any investment made by an investor found and first introduced by plaintiff to defendant. Plaintiff commenced this action, claiming that defendant breached the March 14, 1985 contract by refusing to pay him a $1.6 million finder's fee. Plaintiff argues that he earned the finder's fee by preparing and having defendant execute 6 standard offer contract number 2, hereinafter SOC 2. Contracts which were tendered in Southern California Edison Company, hereinafter SCE. Each SOC 2 provided inter alia for the delivery of 25 megawatts produced at defendant's steam fields, which SCE would be required to purchase. Prior to the March 14, 1985 contract, defendant had submitted a standard offer contract number 4, hereinafter SOC 4, to SCE in 1984. The SOC 4 proposed that defendant would supply SCE with 16.5 megawatts of geothermal energy over a 30-year period. It rejected both the 1984 and the 1986 contracts, claiming that defendant failed to demonstrate that it could transmit any electricity produced at the steam fields. In 1990,
It's good.